Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush mountains of Laguna Province, Philippines, the once cool climate and steady rainfall has drastically changed. El Nino brought prolonged drought. The river that once sustained the people dried up and crops failed. The villagers began to suffer from food and water shortages. A 12-year-old girl named Maria watched the changes in her village with concern. She remembered playing in the green fields, now cracked and barren. She asked her grandmother what was happening. Her grandmother told her about climate change, global warming caused by human beings burning coal, oil, and gas, and deforestation, which created greenhouse gases that blanketed the atmosphere, causing the earth to heat up. Maria was saddened to learn that human beings were responsible. She decided to do something to help the planet. She began to study climate change from books and the internet. She found that there were many ways to reduce the effects of global warming, such as conserving energy, using renewable energy, planting trees, and reducing waste. Maria started by changing her own habits. She stopped using plastic bags and switched to cloth bags. She saved water and electricity as much as possible. She started a small vegetable garden at home and encouraged her friends to do the same. Maria also joined her village's youth environmental group. Together, they raised campaigns. They organized campaigns to raise awareness about climate change. They held workshops on energy conservation and renewable energy. They helped plant trees in degraded areas. The actions of Maria and the youth environmental group began to have an impact. They gained the attention of media and the government agencies. Projects to address climate change began in their village, such as installing solar panels, building rainwater harvesting systems, and promoting organic farming. Although the road ahead was long, Maria wasn't discouraged. She believed that everyone could participate in addressing climate change just by starting with small things around them. One day, Maria gave a speech at a national conference on climate change. She shared her experiences and those of the villagers. She called on the government to work. She called on the government and the private sector to work together to address a serious problem. We only have one home, this earth. We must take care of it, Maria said firmly. Don't let climate change destroy our home. Maria's speech impressed the conference participants. Many stood up and applauded her. Maria knew that she is not alone in the fight to save the planet.